So guys, welcome to another video. This video is actually about a live scam, how a person tried to scam me. So let's see how this scam works. It was a TripAdvisor scam, accommodation scam, and how it started and how it went. So I'll share some screenshots as a proof and with explanation. So basically what I was trying to do is I went to Facebook Marketplace to look for some accommodation so as to help you guys and make a video for it. So while I was searching for accommodation, I found one amazing looking apartment. It was a 2 BHK, 680 pounds, located at High Street, Chelmsford. So I thought, okay, let's text the person and see how it goes. So I texted the person, is it still available? And there was a reply that please give me your email ID. The landlord will contact you. So I sent the email ID, my email ID. And a few days later, I think 2 or 3 days later, I got an email from the landlord saying that thank you for contacting me. What was the email? So I'll read it out for you. It says, I am Sabrina. It was just an introduction email, and what she was saying is, I am Sabrina, the owner of the apartment you're looking to rent. Apartment is in good condition, nice and tidy. It can be rented, furnished, unfurnished, anything. If you are still interested, please let me know. So since I was very much interested in the apartment, I emailed her that I am interested, please send me some pictures. So on 29th March, on 30th March, sorry, she replied with the long email regarding the details of the apartment and sent me some nice pictures of the apartment. So it is a basic email. The rent is 680 pounds per month. Gas and electric is not included. Deposit is 1020. She also sent me the address. Property is a 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom with a modern kitchen. Parking is available. And she also gave a brief introduction to me about herself, that I am Sabrina Lowenstein, living 34 years old, living in Germany. I work as a senior engineer in the construction industry. And she wanted to know a little bit about me also. So who all will be staying, financial impression and anything. And the pictures you can see, they are so nice. The apartment is like, it's a dream apartment, you can say, for a student. Even for a family, 2 bedroom is a big enough apartment. So I was completely awed by the pictures and I thought, okay, let's go for it and see how it goes. So I replied, yes, we are 2 people, both fully employed. Me and my wife will be staying there. So when can we see the apartment? Of course, I'm not going to pay her without seeing the apartment. That was always there back in my head. And you're not supposed to pay. If you're in India, then you can make some kind of arrangement. But if you're here, I will not pay for anything if I don't see the apartment, if I'm staying here. So continuing to the story. So next, she replied, thanks for your reply, Kein. Apartment is a long-term rental and it is good condition. Everything is good. I am in Germany. I will have to come down to UK to sign the agreement and everything. So we are renting this apartment via tripadvisor.com. So everyone knows TripAdvisor. If you are anything about the internet, you must be aware of tripadvisor.com or .co.uk and how the site functions, helps you with bookings, apartments, holidays, and guides you. It's a very good website for a travel blogger or anyone who is looking to travel or book anything, holiday, apartment, anything. So she said that this apartment will be rented out via tripadvisor.com, and it's a trusted platform, an online platform that hosts and everything. She gave a brief introduction about TripAdvisor also, like just I said. And if everything sounds good, I will enable the apartment on TripAdvisor so that I can book it. So I said, okay, yes, please go ahead, book the enable the apartment, and let's see how it goes. I will book via tripadvisor.com. I was very comfortable doing that. So that is not a problem. Now again, she replies, hi again, Kein. To make sure you understand my proposal correctly, you will be getting an invitation via TripAdvisor to book the apartment. And total amount to pay is 1700 pounds. That is first month's rent and deposit. And after 1 month, you directly pay to your account. And you can cancel the booking. Money will be refunded if you don't like it. I said that is okay. I am ready to pay 1700 pounds. That is fine. And then we will take the tenancy agreement and everything, signature. She will come down here. So far so good. Now I said, okay, I understand the procedure. Thank you for letting me know, and let's proceed. So that is when she replied to me, "Hi again, Kane. I'm very happy to find you as a tenant." And then she is sending me a TripAdvisor listing page, the website where the apartment is, the link to the apartment. All you have to do is select the date and then book it via there and do the payments and everything. So this is when it starts to get little bit dicey. So I checked out the link she gave me, and it looked like a genuine website at first. It was a TripAdvisor dot long sorry, not email address, website address. You can see in that. So, and since I'm an avid user of TripAdvisor, I know how the interface looks, what are the changes, how do you search, and everything. I know how to browse around and navigate my way through the website, TripAdvisor website. So I know and I'm aware of it. But if you're not, then this was like, you can be fooled very easily. So she sent me the TripAdvisor link. I went there and I saw the interface looks okay. And then tried to save it, but then it's not saving the apartment. Then I went up and down and saw the bottom things, the footers of the website, nothing is working. Then I saw, okay, let's change and look for another apartment. I went to the menu button is not working. It's directly asking me to log in. I cannot do anything other than this page. Open this page, browse in this page, and make payment, booking and payment. There's nothing else that I can do. So she made a very good website, but this is how you will be scammed, that this is not a genuine TripAdvisor website. Maybe TripAdvisor even doesn't know about it. This apartment may or may not be listed on TripAdvisor. But just to give you a brief comparison of how a genuine TripAdvisor website looks, here is the format. Here is the genuine real website, tripadvisor.co.uk, how you can search everything. And then I will also be showing you how the fake website looks. They're pretty much similar, but you can see that this is a fake one. So I hope you guys get what I'm trying to say, and I hope I saved you some bucks. I saved myself 1700 pounds, which for sure was going to a scammer. So I don't know how to reply to this email now. The last reply is to do the procedure, do the payments is the last reply. I am still to reply to her. It was just sent 19 hours ago. So I'm still looking for options. If you guys have any witty replies or anything, anything, or how shall I reply or how to proceed in this scam, do let me know in the comment section. And I hope this video was helpful, and this is only and specially for everyone. Since you guys are new, you will be looking for accommodations, and there will be traps like this all around the internet. Please don't fall for it. Use your brain and try to visually see the apartment if you are already here, and then book it. If not, then try to arrange a visit with a friend, via a friend, and do it. Because in Chelmsford, if you're looking in Chelmsford, I can always go and visit the apartment, meet the landlord or the agency or whosoever the person staying there. I can offer you those services, of course. I did last time also. I booked an apartment, 2 apartments for 2 people. I went personally to see. I showed him via a video call. And of course, you can trust me. I am not going anywhere. But if you don't trust me, then please, you can also unsubscribe from my channel. So I am trying to help you guys. If you want to book an apartment, beware of such kind of frauds. Don't fall for it. And if you're in Chelmsford and you are looking for an apartment, or if you have found one, firstly, if you're looking for an apartment, see the video up there. And if you already found one and you are concerned about if the person is genuine, get in touch with me, send me the details, address, everything. I will go and talk to the landlord, and I can verify if it is correct and everything. So I can help you guys with that. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and please share this video to the maximum students possible so that they are aware of this scam. I think this is the first time I am seeing this scam. It is a new kind of a scam. It is very tricky to, it is very genuinely done also. So she did a lot of hard work. So make sure you share this video and make aware all the students and anyone who is looking for accommodation to be aware and not fall for such traps. I hope you will like, share, subscribe my channel, and I hope you like the video also. So I hope I saved you some money. See you later in the next video. I'll try to make more and more such useful content. So please stay tuned to my channel and see ya.